Why does H. pylori infection cause gastritis? Imagine a tiny bacterium that manages to survive in the harshest environment inside your stomach. That's Helicobacter pylori, a common bacteria that infects many people worldwide. It causes gastritis, which is inflammation of the stomach lining, by setting up camp and triggering your body's immune response. The process begins with H. pylori's unique ability to survive in the stomach's acidic environment. It produces an enzyme called urease, which breaks down urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. This reaction neutralizes the acid around the bacteria, creating a more hospitable environment for it to thrive. Using its flagella, H. pylori moves through the mucus layer that lines your stomach and attaches to the epithelial cells, the cells that form the lining of your stomach. It uses specific molecules called adhesins to stick tightly to these cells, establishing a persistent presence. Once attached, H. pylori releases several harmful substances, including toxins like cytotoxin-associated gene A and vacuolating cytotoxin A. These toxins directly damage the cells lining your stomach, disrupting their normal functions. This damage triggers your immune system to respond, sending immune cells like neutrophils to the site of infection. The immune response causes inflammation, which is what we call gastritis. While inflammation is part of your body's way of fighting infection, in this case, it also damages the stomach lining further, making it more vulnerable. The inflammation and toxins from H. pylori also impair the stomach's natural defenses. Normally, your stomach produces a thick mucus layer that protects the tissue from acid and digestive enzymes. But when this barrier is compromised, acid and enzymes like pepsin can cause more damage to the already inflamed tissue. This ongoing injury can eventually lead to the formation of ulcers, which are open sores in the stomach or duodenum. If H. pylori infection is not treated, the gastritis can become chronic. Chronic inflammation can cause the stomach lining to thin and atrophy, increasing the risk of more serious conditions like peptic ulcers and even stomach cancer. So, in essence, H. pylori causes gastritis by surviving in your stomach, attaching to your cells, releasing damaging toxins, and provoking a long-lasting immune response. This combination of factors damages the stomach lining, disrupts its protective barriers, and sets the stage for ulcers and other complications. Understanding this process helps us see why treating H. pylori infection is crucial in managing gastritis and preventing further gastrointestinal problems. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options.